Ideal Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Good morning, my dear students. Session 8, Class 6 Standard, Subject English, Topic Sea Turtles. Sea Turtle, Section 2. Between the months of January and March, female olive ridleys come ashore at night to lay their eggs. This is quite a problem for them as the turtle's front flippers enable it to swim gracefully and effortlessly, but are not very useful for moving on land. The turtle has to haul itself laboriously onto the beach. Then it chooses a spot well away from the high tide line. It means female olive ridley come ashore to lay their eggs at night between the months of January and March. The sea turtle uses its front flippers to swim, but the flippers are not used to move on the land. This is the problem for sea turtle while they are coming on the land. So the turtles force themselves to come ashore with huge effect. It chooses the right place to lay its eggs away from the high tide line. Next paragraph. Here it scoops out a nest cavity 45 centimeter deep, into which it lays about 100 eggs. Each egg is in the shape and size of a table tennis ball. Once all the eggs are laid, the turtle fills in the cavity, then it camouflages the nest by tossing sand on it using its flippers. That done, it returns to the sea. The eggs are left to incubate under the warmth of the sun. In this passage, the author says, the turtles make a hollow space nest which is 45 centimeter deep. It lays about 100 eggs in the nest. Its eggs look like a table tennis ball. It uses its flippers by tossing sand on it and hide their eggs in the hollow space. After the work is done, it returns to sea. The eggs hatch under the temperature of the sun. Next passage. In many places around the world, local people follow the tracks of the turtle to its nest. They collect the eggs for eating. Jackal, domestic dogs, and pigs to dig up and eat the eggs by following the scent left by the turtle. Those eggs that escape such people and predators hatch 45 to 60 days later. In this passage, the author says, the local people follow the track of the sea turtle's nest and collect its eggs. They use the eggs for food. Some animals like jackal, domestic dogs, and pigs find its eggs by using its smell and eat it all. Sometimes the people and the animals unable to find the place of eggs. Those eggs hatch after 45 to 60 days. The hatchling slash open the leathery eggshell with the help of a tiny egg tooth. This is like a razor blade at the tip of a hatchling snout. When most of the eggs have hatched, the hatchling push themselves upward through the sand and emerge on the surface of the beach. From here, they make a hurried dash to the sea. In this passage, the author conveys the newly hatched reptiles cut the leathery eggshell using its egg tooth. The egg tooth is looking like a razor blade. When the eggs hatched, the small sea turtles move towards the beach hurriedly. My dear students, I hope you understand this section too. Let's see some glossaries. sea turtles, flippers, broad flat limbs used for swimming, predators, animals that kill other animals for food like lion, tigers, etc. Howl, pull with force, slash, cut, laboriously with great effect. It means a good effect. Snout, pointed nose of an animal. It means a pointed nose. Camouflage, hide or disguise something. It means conceal. The tortoise hide their eggs. Cavity, a hollow space. It means an empty space. Emerge, come out. Incubate, hatch eggs using warmth. Today's homework. My dear students, read these sentences and find out the statements are correct or incorrect. Give the reason whether it's correct or incorrect and write the right answers and send the answers to me. See you tomorrow. Thank you.